Hello, welcome to the Compile Guru, the online series of Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn you how to create use of data filters, and cross validations, other grouping. So for we are starting with the validations. So this is the column which I've already created: name, gender, and the marks. So I just want to create a filter in order to avoid the indiscrepancy of the data. By mistake, if I enter something, it uses as a cross validation method in order to remove that. So if my marks range between 25 to 100, so if someone enter 105, it should not be accepted. So how to use that? Just selected all the cells in which you want to apply the validation. After selection, just go to data validations. In the data validation, click on data validations. Here you can select which value you want to enter. So I just want to enter whole number. You can select anyone which you qualified your data. So that will be the whole number, and this should be minimum. So in my criteria, the minimum marks should be 10. Below, no one will get. The maximum is 100. This is, you can give alert message. Please enter between 10 to 100. Fine. So suppose I'm giving 105. You can see it will give an error message because of data validation. So that will not create any error in your Excel. So in this I'm giving 65. It is accepting, 35 accepting, 25, 85, and if for this I'm giving 5, again you can see the error message occur. So I'm giving 65. Fine. So by this way you can use your data validation. The next is now filter. So you can use filter on the basis of these three columns. Just select three column, go to sort and filter, you click filter. So you can see a drop down, you can use filter method. So I'm just creating filter on name. You can use text filter that will begin with, I'm using begin with R. Once you create R, then only the Rahul which is begin with R is coming. You can use any filter on the basis of your criteria. So this way you can use filter. Now coming to the next thing, that is grouping. How you can use grouping? For the grouping, you just need to select all the cell, go to that data, first create group. Once you created that group, you have to do whatever operation you want to that group. So want group the total of average of these group on the basis of male and female, then on the basis of gender. Fine. So I'm click gender and using, if I want average, so I'm using average and click on marks. So what you find that, so male average is 50 and female average is 58.3. This way you can use your different combination which you like to know. So this is the best way to reduce your time understanding the huge amount of data. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe the video and subscribe for next coming video.